Need to update your personal info on Robinhood, whether it's your phone, email, and more. Here's how to do it. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the account icon at the top right. Here you can see the settings option, tap on it. You will see personal information here. Under personal information, you'll find options to edit your name, email address, phone number, or address. Tap the section you want to change, update the info, and confirm. For sensitive changes like your name or SSN, you'll need to submit verification documents through support. Make sure your info is accurate, it's tied to your account verification and tax reporting. Ever had your info rejected during an update? Let's talk about it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.